topic is called translating a sentence into a one-step equation. Because it says equation, that means there's going to be an equal sign. A one-step means that you're going to have a variable and you're adding to it, or you're going to have a variable and you're multiplying or dividing, or I guess you could be subtracting with the variable. So let's do some examples. P.S. Will you please subscribe to my channel and like any videos that you find helpful? So let's start this. When you see more than or less than, that's going to go at the end of your statement. Now this is, I guess, your phrase. We're not at the equal sign yet, so we're on the left side of the equal sign. So we have 23 more than. So we're going to put plus 23. So it's more than what? Carlos's savings. When it gives us something that we don't know what it is, we use a variable, and they told us to use C. So when you see Carlos's savings in the sentence, then you want to use that variable C. So we're doing 23 more than Carlos's savings. So we have C plus 23. And then is means equals in math. So it equals 74. And there's your equation. We're translating that sentence into C plus 23 equals 74. So when it says decreased by, so remember more than and less than puts that number at the end. But if you see decreased by or increased by, you put it at the beginning. So we have 46. Decreased means you're going to subtract. So we have 46 minus Delia's score. So we have to look down and say that we want to use the D to represent Delia's score. So we have 46 minus D is, which equals to 15. So we have 46 minus D equals 15. All right, let's do another one. Now here they put the is at the beginning of your sentence. So we have 135 is. So we just write 135 equals. Okay, then we're going to see what goes on the right side of the equal sign. We're doing a product. So product, you are multiplying two things together. So if you look further in the sentence, you'll find the word and. That separates those two things that you're multiplying. So we're multiplying Chrissy's height and 9. So we're supposed to use C for Chrissy's height, and we're going to be multiplying it by 9. Because we're using a variable, we actually want the 9 to come first. So we'll do 135 equals 9C. Now let's just do one more. I know I've already done 3, but these can kind of be hard sometimes. So now we have 74 is, so that's 74 equals. Now it's the sum. We talked about that before. You look for the and. Sum means plus. So we are adding two things together, the 7 and Chow's savings, which is C. So 74 equals 7 plus C. And that's the end of the lesson.